Hello everybody, it's a brand new day, it's a brand new week, it's a Monday, and it's time for us to go to work, even if it's a lockdown. So this is my first day to be out since the lockdown last Friday. And in case you didn't know, Ho Chi Minh City is under lockdown since Friday, July 9th, and it will last until for 15 days. During the lockdown, everybody is advised to stay at home, just to prevent the spread of the corona. As you can see, there's not much bikes on the road. You can see the trucks. But the usual Monday morning, there's usually a lot of motorbikes on the road going to work or going to their stores. But now you can see that there's just a few motorbikes on the road. Now, in case you're asking, my work is deemed essential. Why is it essential, you say? Well, let's just say we're essential to the economy of Vietnam. That means if my company stops operating, basically they won't have profit, and later on, if they don't have profit, they won't pay any taxes, then they probably will close. But kidding aside, well, yeah, kidding aside, we're basically essential to the economy, so that's why our factories continuously running as of now. But then again, my workplace have some buildings shut down because of some COVID infections. The road is so free. Hopefully there will be no checkpoints along the way. whole day you cannot really go this fast on this bridge, because there will be a lot of motorbikes on this lane, so you really cannot go that fast. But today, since there's a few bikes, so you can go faster than normal. As you can see here at this junction, there's usually a lot of well, there's a heavy traffic jam usually at this hour, but now it's free. So far there are no checkpoints. Some of my friends told me that in District 1 or in District 2 there's a lot of checkpoints. Basically the checkpoints will be checking your, if you have a like a pass, a company given letter that says you can go to work or your work is essential. My company gave me one, so I have something to show when, if there's a checkpoint along the way. Whew. Roads are pretty free. Generally, here in Vietnam, the people follow what their Prime Minister's directive is. Like I said, most Vietnamese follow their government. As you can see, I think these people here on the road are people who are essential, who are going to work. Well, so far so good. There are no checkpoints yet. But why am I so conscious about the checkpoints? I have my letter. Anyway, moving on. Usually you cannot go on 90 on this side of the road. It's not very often that you can go at the speed. Usually traffic is so congested, you cannot go even over 80 here. So that was a first. See? People here really don't know how to look at the colors. They don't see red, they always see green. The road is so free. See that guy? Red light. But still decided to go. The guy must be colorblind, even that lady. Will delete me in. We'll find out in a while. So I think I arrived faster than the usual time that I get here. Come on. Okay, we arrived. So far they let us in. What time is it? It's 7:45 according to my watch. Okay, see you back again this afternoon when you head back home, and let's see what happens this afternoon.